Hello and welcome to the Infinity Hoop Workout channel, where we're challenging weight loss 1 pound at a time. Today we've got a vibration plate workout that's specifically for pre and post exercise stretches. You'll want to go ahead and grab this video and do it before you exercise. That way you can get your muscles stretched and ready for the workout. And also you can use it afterwards so that you can cool down and stretch those muscles. So we'll begin with a 1-minute warm-up. You're going to use this time to feel the vibration, and we're going to begin our stretches shortly. Coming up next is going to be our neck rotations. You're going to start by turning your head as far right as possible, then center, and then to the left for a count of 20. Begin. Make sure you're turning your head as far left and as far right as possible so that you can really feel that stretch. Get ready to transition into head circles, 25 in one direction, 25 in the next direction. Get ready and begin. We tend to hold a lot of tension in our neck as we're working out, so this helps to loosen our neck muscles and our shoulder muscles so that they don't continue to strain. Get ready to reverse and reverse. You really want to work on loosening those muscles to relieve that tension. Get ready to transition into shoulder rolls. We're going to roll back for 20 and then we're going to roll forward for 20. Begin. Get ready to reverse in the opposite direction for 20. And reverse. You really want to roll those shoulders to help loosen those muscles from all that tension you've been holding as you've been working out. Or if you haven't started yet, to prepare for your workout. Get ready to transition into shoulder stretches. You're going to cross your arm across your body and you're going to stretch your shoulder 10 on each side. Get ready, begin. Get ready to transition to the other side and switch. Up next, we're going to do tricep stretches. You're going to raise your arm above your head, starting with your right arm. You're going to use your left hand to pull at your elbow, 10 on each side, to stretch those triceps. And begin. Prepare to transition to the left side. And switch. Coming up next is going to be upper body rotations. You're going to put your arms out in front of you. You're going to grab each elbow, rotate your upper body as far right as possible. We're going to do 2 sets of 5 on each side. Ready? Begin. Rotate to the left side. Back to the right side. And 5 to the left. Next, you're going to press your shoulders back 5 and then forward 5, 3 sets of 5. Forward 5. Second set back. Forward. And your third set back. Then forward. Transitioning into forward stretches, arms out in front of you, lean forward slightly, not too far, keep your balance and hold. This is where you really feel the effects of the vibration plate. So enjoy it and go with the flow. Next, we're going to work on stretching those hamstrings. It can be quite tricky, so make sure you don't lose your balance. You're going to turn to the right. You're going to keep your toes in contact with the plate, and you're going to shift backwards so that you can feel the stretch in your hamstring. Get ready, be careful, and hold. Ready to rotate to the other side. And switch. And hold. Keep your balance. This move can be quite tricky, so make sure that you stay balanced and stay focused. Alright, now we're going to do a squat stretch. So squat down, put your arms out in front of you and try to hold it there for 25 seconds. You should be feeling the stretch through the back of your legs and your glutes. Keep holding. Alright, you can go ahead and stand up. And we're going to begin our cool down. Give yourself a hand. You made it through the stretches. So we've got about a minute more of this cool down. So make sure that you're using this video to do your stretches before your workout. Do your stretches after your workout. Make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids so that you can keep your body healthy. We've got about 30 seconds left of this cool down. You guys did an awesome job. Be sure that you're warming up and cooling down with each workout so that you can keep your body healthy. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can be aware of our upcoming videos. Take some deep cleansing breaths as we take this workout to the end. And as they say in Thailand, Lo Gone. Bye.